Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Y'all, we on a roll, right? I'm proud of myself. And I'm so glad that you guys came back to join me. As you saw by the title, you already know what this video is about. So we're gonna just jump right into it. Something you guys have already seen. My very first Vlogmas video was a gift guide. Christmas shopping is always a hassle. People always need good suggestions, and nobody wants to be known as giving trash gifts. Put us on, don't gatekeep. Another Vlogmas idea is a get unready with me or a nighttime routine. Let's see your skincare regimen. I'm all about investing in our skin, especially my skin. Lately, y'all already know, hormonal acne, I get breakouts along my jawline. So I'm always looking for a skincare routine, looking to see what products I should try. So if you have a particular skin condition like hormonal acne or eczema or something, make a video about it. Show us what you're doing, show us what you're using. Let's talk about it. That's how you can build a relationship with your audience and also educate us on the products out there, because we know there's a lot of them. Another idea you can do is a bake with me video. I can't wait to do this video because I like to cook. I like to try new recipes, and I don't know what I'm gonna bake yet, but it's gonna definitely be something holiday related. I'm not a big baker, so I really want to try to make a dessert from scratch. So stay tuned for that, because I'll be doing that, and you should do one too. I'm a foodie, so you know some food was gonna be on this channel, right? You can do for Vlogmas is do Christmas finds, whether it be decorations or holiday outfits, ugly sweaters. I've seen some ugly sweater videos and some of them are hilarious. Do a Christmas find. Go out, take a shopping with you, and let us know what's in these stores. A weekly vlog, a day in the life. Especially as a creator, I love to watch other creators' day in their lives, see how they're, structuring their business, how they're organizing their day. If you are an actor, I love watching the day in the life of an actor. Those are my personal preferences. In my fashionista girlies, I love watching them too. But somebody wants to see your life. I promise you, your life is not as boring as you think it is, and there is an audience out there for everyone, and we want to see what is it that you do today. I love to see productive people. It's motivational, it's encouraging, and maybe they put us on to some tricks and tips that we didn't know that we can use. So let's see your day, sis. Don't gatekeep. For my makeup girlies, make a video on a bomb winter makeup look. I have an idea for a look that I want to do for my channel. Give us a winter look, full glam winter beat. Another idea is how to edit a video. How are you handling Vlogmas right now? How are you editing the content and getting it out so fast? What apps are you using? Another video suggestion would be winter looks. What are your fashion looks this winter time? Like, what are we wearing for the winter? You can always do trending looks, but like, show us something new. Show us something that's you. That's what I like to see. Stuff that makes people them, not necessarily the trends, but or maybe just their take on the trend. So winter look hauls are gonna be big this season for sure. Christmas cocktails. Me and my friend are making Christmas cocktails. I'm not even sure in the order of which this video will be posted, to be honest with you. So maybe we've already made it. If so, go check it out. If not, stay tuned, because we got some recipes that's gonna set the party off, and they're gonna be delicious. At least I hope so. You can also build gingerbread houses. That is something great to do if you are like a family channel or by yourself, or you and your girlfriends, or maybe you and your spouse. Y'all can build gingerbread houses and do a little sip and create if that's your vibe. Christmas lights. I love to see Christmas lights, and I'm definitely planning to do that with my family this year. We haven't done it in a while, to be honest with you. I haven't gone in a while, so I can't wait to kind of find where the neighborhoods are, or like different shows or festivals that have the light show, because it's a vibe. It's a vibe. It is so creative. They make everything with these Christmas lights. You can do a Vlogmas idea video. Hello, how are you? We are here. This is us. Make some Vlogmas ideas. You never know what someone's ideas might be. They may think of something that you didn't even think of. So check out some Vlogmas ideas. If you yourself have some Vlogmas ideas, make a video about it, because we want to know. This is for my crafty girlies, because y'all know I like to make things. Do a DIY Christmas ornament video. I'm in the process of researching some myself, because I'm adding on to this tree here. She's definitely not done yet, but I add on every single year, and I would really love to make some handcrafted one-of-a-kind ornaments. So stay tuned for that, but also make your own video of making your own Christmas ornaments. Maybe you start a new family tradition when you do it. For all the content creators and the techies, let's see your equipment. What kind of cameras are you using? Lights are you using? Are you using your cell phone? What kind of cell phone? Give us the tea on what type of equipment you're using for Vlogmas. You can do a workout routine. Self-explanatory. You can also do Christmas PJ shopping. I'm kind of actually getting into it myself. I've never been that person until recently, y'all, and I don't know why. I was telling Don, like, we should get some matching PJs this year. And he was for it, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video about shopping for the PJs. Maybe if you wanna see, let me know. But I think we're definitely gonna get some matching PJs this year. You can do a clean with me video. Clean with me videos are very satisfying. I like it. I think they're very satisfying to watch. And it's kind of satisfying to make because I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm content creating and I'm also organizing and cleaning my house. Two things that need to be done. Why not showcase it? And I'm gonna say it's all about the angles. There you go. You can do a story time, your favorite Christmas story time. We all have memories, and this will be a great opportunity for you to bond with your audience and let us know a little bit more about you and your experiences and share some of those memories with us. For my beauty girlies, because you know, we talk about beauty, hold please. Beauty gift guide, like strictly about beauty products. Maybe your favorite winter products or the products you're currently in love with. I don't know, girl, just put me up on tea because I love beauty, all things beauty, and I am building my collection. I need to know the tea. What we wearing? Another good idea is an act of kindness. You can do an act of kindness. I know this is a time of the year where people do that quite often. I'm here to tell you, don't make this the only time that you do it, but do it. Doing it is better than not doing it at all. And that can be as creative as you want to. Volunteer at a shelter, just do random acts of kindness. I don't know what that means for you or what it looks like for you, but we want to spread positivity and love, and what better way than to pay it forward. Something really good too to do, especially when you're growing, or just to do a refresh, even if you're an established channel already, but a get to know me video, a Q&A. New subscribers are coming in all the time. What better way to do a room reset by introducing yourself, reintroducing yourself. Maybe you share something new that you didn't share before if you've already done a Q&A, but let us in on who you are and what makes you special. I'm a Starbucks drinker. I like Starbucks, but I'm very picky, but I want to open my menu options up. So I want to actually try the Starbucks holiday drinks. And I recommend doing it with a friend so that y'all can compare and just have a little chit chat session. You can do a Christmas dinner cook with me video. I did a Thanksgiving vlog. My Thanksgiving vlog was pretty much a cook with me video. I walked you through me preparing Thanksgiving dinner for my family, which was the first time I ever hosted. And I can't wait to do it again. I wonder if we're gonna do it this year for Christmas. I'm gonna talk to Dom about that because I'm down to have something here at the house again like that. That was fun. But do a cook with me video. Show us what recipes to try. What are some of your family favorites? We're foodies. If you're on my channel, then you're a foodie too. So show me the menu. Something else that you can do, which would be another great story time topic, is tell us what you're grateful for the year of 2023. What happened this year that you just want to put out there gratitude for? Put out gratitude in order to receive things to be grateful for, to continue to have positive energy, positive vibes. Gratitude, 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 gratitude. And I would love to see and hear the great things that happened for you in 2023. I know for some it was a doozy, but there were still things to be grateful for within that year, and I wanted to focus on that. So let me know, what are you grateful for in 2023? We all know Amazon is that girl, right? Let me know what gifts to buy off of Amazon. Do an Amazon gift find. And you can even make it even more specific because we all like a good budget. We all like to save a coin. I don't care how much coins you have. People like to save a good coin, okay? So maybe you do an Amazon gift guide and all the gifts are under $50, under $30, under $20. I mean, there's budgets for everybody, under $100, whatever you want to do. Do a gift guide about what you can find on Amazon, or maybe you go to Walmart, maybe you go to Target. You can go to any store, Nordstrom's. If you want to do high-end stuff, you do whatever you want to do, but a gift guide from a particular store, especially one that carries something that could, you know, be a one-stop shop for everybody on your Christmas list. That's a good idea, sis. I'd tune in for sure. You can do a video putting up your Christmas decorations, a decorate with me. I would definitely do it probably at the closer front end of the month. That way people have time to kind of go out and get stuff and see their hard work up for a little while. So decoration videos are a big trend right now. Let us see what your house is looking like. Where do you find your decorations? Matter of fact, you took us shopping for your decorations in a vlog before. Let us see you put those decorations up. For my creators out there, how to start a YouTube channel. That's something that's always gonna be searched because YouTube is not going anywhere. It's gonna keep growing. So why not show people how you got started on YouTube? Give us some tips, some tricks, things that you wish you knew before starting your channel. Good idea, very good idea. Another idea you can do is a hair transformation video. Show us what the holiday hair is looking like. How we switching it up for winter. How we coming to the holiday party, okay? Because let me tell you, I'll be doing a transformation here soon. Because these braids, as much as I love them, it's about time that we let them go. We part ways. So show us how you're preparing to bring in the new year, how you're celebrating Christmas. Like we need the hair transformation, sis, okay? You can do a Christmas movie list. What are your favorite Christmas movies to watch at this time of the year? What are you watching with your family? Are there new movies, or are you keeping it old school and watching some of the classics? Let me see what's on your list. Travel vlogs. I love travel vlogs. I love watching travel vlogs, especially if I'm going or have an idea of going somewhere. I want to see where should I go? What do they have out there? Let us know where to eat. We foodies. Where's the best food restaurants? Where are the goods at? What adventures are you going on? I love adventures. I love excursions. So I like to see, where people go for their jet skis, people that are reliable and trustworthy, because, people try to take advantage of tourists. So if you planned a good trip, take us with you. Let's see. Where are you traveling for Christmas? Now this one, you might want to proceed at your own risk with this vlog. And that's the wrapping presents Vlogmas video. I say that because you don't know who's watching your channel. I know my child watches my channel, and if I'm wrapping her presents, then she gonna know what she getting. So maybe you find a interesting way to wrap your gifts or not show as much of the gift. I don't know, figure that out, but I think it's a good way to be doing something while doing a story time. Because then you can talk about some other topic. Maybe it's another holiday topic that you want to talk about while you're wrapping gifts. So that's another idea for you. Do a Christmas Eve vlog. Are there traditions that you do with your family on Christmas Eve? What are you doing on Christmas Eve? How are you preparing? Are you sleeping like a baby because you did everything in advance? I don't know, but I want to see, how do you bring in Christmas? Maybe you're planning a party. Maybe you know someone that's hosting a party. Do a holiday party vlog, especially if you're the one that's hosting it. Show us how you're preparing for it, what you do to prepare for it. Just walk us through all the things. Give us tips on how to effectively host a holiday party, or affordably host a holiday party, or I'm balling out on this holiday party, blow the bag. I want to see all the scales because I like hosting. So maybe any tips that you can give, definitely send them our way. Share. Again, we don't gatekeep. We want to know tea. You can do a room makeover video. Maybe you're preparing a room for the holidays, or maybe you're just transforming a room altogether. Maybe you're out with the old furniture, in with the new, and you want to give your house a revitalized, refreshed feel before the new year. Show us how you're making over that room. I love those videos. A good DIY video is always going to be on my watch list. I wanted to make this video so that you know it's not too late to start Vlogmas for yourself. I really started thinking about this. It's something that I've always wanted to do, really want to challenge myself and push myself, and also scale my YouTube. And what better way to do all of that than to commit to pumping out as much content in the month of December as possible. Some people do every day for 25 days straight. Some people maybe do 2 weeks, like the 2 weeks leading up to Christmas, 7 days straight. To be honest, y'all, make Vlogmas what you want it to be. Do it at the consistency that is realistic for you. Don't think you have to do 30 days straight, 25 days straight. If you do, great. Like, go sis, go. I am your biggest advocate. But do what you can do. all I say is do something. Don't let another Vlogmas go by and you not participate. So what better way to help my girlies out there than give you a list of ideas that you can do for your Vlogmas. Some of these probably gonna see this year from me, so with my own little sauce on it. And that's what I want you to do. Take these ideas, put your little sauce on it, and drop that content, sis, okay? Well, guys, that is all of the ideas that I have for this video. If you have some new ideas or wanna see some ideas from me during Vlogmas, let me know, drop them down in the comments. I love talking to you guys. I love sharing these topics with you all. So let me know in the comments what more you wanna see or what videos you plan to do this Vlogmas. I will love on you good people in the next video. Bye, y'all.